Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty and personal care products. Today, we're reviewing the BoSidin IPL Hair Removal device with its 2-in-1 Face SR Rejuvenation function. This device promises to offer visible hair reduction in just 3 weeks, and it's equipped with a unique ice cooling system for painless treatments. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The BoSidin IPL Hair Removal device combines advanced technology with a sleek, user-friendly design. It features the latest 3.0 IPL technology, which targets hair follicles to reduce hair regrowth, promising visible results in just 3 weeks. In addition to hair removal, this device also boasts a rejuvenation feature aimed at reducing wrinkles and blemishes while firming and brightening the skin. It offers 6+1 modes, including a manual mode for smaller areas like the bikini line and underarms, and an auto mode for larger areas such as the legs and arms. The device also includes a shaver and goggles, enhancing the overall experience. Now let's talk about how this device performs in real-world use. Setting it up is straightforward, and the ergonomic design makes it easy to hold during treatments. I tested it on both small and large areas, and the results were quite impressive. The ice cooling system, which lowers the skin temperature to 5 degrees 41 Celsius, significantly reduces any discomfort during the hair removal process, making it virtually painless compared to other devices without this feature. The 6 energy levels and 6+1 modes allow for a customized experience, depending on your skin sensitivity and treatment area. It's also quick, with each flash happening in 0.7 seconds, so you can cover a large area in a short amount of time. On the plus side, the device is effective in delivering visible results in just a few weeks, and the dual functionality, both for hair removal and facial rejuvenation, adds great value to the device. However, one downside is that the ice cooling mode doesn't work when the attachment is in place, so you have to remember to remove it when you want to use that feature. As for value for money, this device is priced in the mid-range for IPL hair removal systems. Considering the added benefits of skin rejuvenation and the ice cooling function, it offers solid value, especially when compared to salon treatments that could cost much more over time. When compared to other similar products on the market, BoSidin's IPL device stands out with its cooling feature and dual function, making it a great choice for those looking for an all-in-one solution. Other devices might be more basic, but if you're after a more comprehensive treatment, this could be a great fit. In terms of build quality, the device feels solid and durable. It's lightweight and ergonomically designed, making it easy to maneuver. Plus, it has several safety certifications, including FCC, CE, and SGS, ensuring a high standard of quality. Customer support for BoSidin is also worth mentioning. They offer a 24-month warranty and a 180-day money-back guarantee, which adds a layer of confidence for potential buyers. The brand is committed to providing support, even if you're outside the return window. To wrap up, the BoSidin IPL hair removal device offers a great mix of functionality and value. It's effective, easy to use, and combines hair removal with skin rejuvenation, making it a versatile option for those who want to take care of both aspects at home. If you're looking for a device that delivers on both performance and safety, this is a strong contender. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty enthusiasts can find this video too. Thank you for watching. If you have any thoughts or experiences with this product, feel free to share them in the comments below. For more reviews and tips, stay tuned to Beautyistic. Until next time, stay smooth, stay beautiful.